All right, welcome back to another episode of Tune Into Wellness. Guess what? You can alleviate or eliminate your anxiety. That's what this channel is about. I'm going to show you how by using a D chord position and just two fingers, and I'm going to be moving from strings 2 and 3 to strings 1 and 3. I'll zoom in and give you the specifics in a second. I'm going to do this for at least 60 seconds, probably longer when I turn off the camera. But I want you to know that mindfulness increases your awareness, which in turn improves your guitar playing. I'm going to focus on breathing slowly and just keeping it simple with two fingers or a finger and a thumb. But you know how I'm rubbing my fingers together because that's kind of the pattern that I'm using. But I'm not only focusing in on how my fingertips interact with the strings, I'm also focusing in on how my fingertips interact with each other. Then if that's not awesome enough, I'm going to be adding a pinky and taking a pinky off. And for me, it takes me to just a whole different level. Glad you're here. Subscribe for more. Come back often. Keep it simple. And let's breathe and pick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's tough to get out of there, for me anyhow. But it's good to be here, aware, calm, not plagued by anxiety. If you are plagued by anxiety, then stick around, come back often. And hey, it gets better. It truly does. So, at any rate, that was my D chord meditation using two fingers. Let me know in the comments if it helped you out or if you have some tips for me. I imagine we can eventually expand to more. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. All right, thanks again for coming by. We'll see you in the next one.